Hey guys, how's it going? This is Angie Lopez. I just wanted to say hi to you guys and see how you guys were doing this Monday afternoon. I am here in my office and just working from home and just wanted to give you guys some quick little tips that wanted to just address some of you that own a small business. If you own a small business and sometimes maybe you're just starting off and you don't know what to do or how to get started or anything like that. I have like 3 or 4 tips that I would love to just give you because like I said, sometimes we don't know how to get started or what to do or anything like that. So the first tip I would say is that you would definitely need a um, like an accordion file because it has like little pockets in it where you would be able to put in all of your receipts, because I'll tell you that you don't want to lose any of your receipts when it comes down to your business or anything like that. You want to make sure you keep all of your receipts. I really do my best to divide them in by month and then total it up every month so that by the end of the year, I have everything written down and ready to go, ready for me to do my own taxes or do all of my accountability or all my bookkeeping on QuickBooks. So that is my first suggestion. The second thing I would say is make sure you go to the bank and open a savings account where you would be able to put 10 to 15% of anything you make throughout the year from your business so that that is allocated just for taxes and you'd be able to pay your taxes if you end up paying at the end of the year. And also, of course, you want to open your regular business account as well so that you can have them both and be able to divide the 10% to 15% and putting it into the other account. So, like I said, just in case you end up having to pay any taxes, you'll have the money saved there in that account and you won't have to be looking and searching for more money to pay your taxes, right? Also, that was the second one. And then the third one I would say, that I would suggest that you take pictures of your receipt. If you don't want to keep the actual paper and of the receipt, you can definitely take a picture of it and store it in your computer, just like archiving your paperwork, filing it away. You can definitely file it away on your computer in different folders and different files. I've learned that, and I really have to say that I really enjoy that aspect of it just because it's so much easier. I don't have to keep all kinds of paper or anything like that. So that was a big, big help for me. And I would say the last one, to make sure that you keep track of everything you're spending money on or in your business. So if you're going out to dinner or to lunch with any of your clients, making sure that you're saving those receipts, especially if you're talking about business, you want to make sure that those receipts you are being saved, you're saving them and you're taking pictures of them because totaling up that amount at the end of the year would definitely help you and your tax liability. You know, Also making sure that you keep track of all your mileage. If you're going to clients' homes or you're traveling, dropping off files to a client or anything like that, you want to make sure that you're keeping track of your mileage. That's really important. I know that there's a few apps on your phone that will keep miles for you, and at the end of the year you can just divide the miles and make sure how many miles you used for your business and how many miles you use for personal. Now if you have another vehicle just for you to use for personal, that's awesome because that's way better and you won't have to keep track of your miles if you're doing that. But if you only have one vehicle, you're going to have to keep track of your miles, because remember the IRS does pay you 58 cents per mile on your for your business. Also, any materials that you use, like for myself, I use softwares and I use automation and I use emails and I use ink, and I use all kinds of things, in my office myself for my business, building the business and making sure that I'm spending and investing money in my business. So whatever I'm spending and investing money in my business, like last year I ended up having to purchase a new computer because my computer before that just fried and, it wasn't working anymore. So I had to buy a new computer. So that expense I was able to add it to my taxes because of that reason. So also, if you're renting a location and you're having to pay rent there as well, you want to keep track of that. If you have your own office in your home, like I do here, I actually am able to deduct 300 square feet from my home, and me paying, we pay interest in our home. We are able to deduct a home office from our taxes because we use this as a business. This is my office, and it is directly just used for that purpose. So we want to make sure that you don't forget to deduct the home office that the IRS gives you credit for. And then also, you want to make sure that you're taking into account all of your insurance for your vehicle, also the plates, your registration, anything like that. Also, you can put in your taxes. You can also put your cell phone. If your cell phone is being used for business purposes, you can definitely deduct your cell phone. And then those are just some of the things that you can deduct, but there's so many more deductions that are applicable for your taxes. And just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Angie Lopez. I am a tax and accounting or bookkeeping strategist, and my business is called Tax and Business Solutions. And just wanted to throw it out there. I hope this was able to help you. I know for myself, I'm definitely always trying to figure out ways that will help me keep organized and really doing things efficiently in my business. So I hope this helped you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and have an awesome day. It is Monday afternoon. It's Monday actually all day, and I know it's going to be an amazing day, and I hope you guys have an awesome one too. Bye.